Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Het plus van. Het van. Cent. Cent. Heaven sent. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car. As we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Welcome aboard, ladies and gentlemen, and please join me in welcoming back our returning champion. His name is Ralph Rodriguez, and he won $5,550 on last week's last show. Good to have you back with us. I saw a young lady come out of the audience when you were in the winner's circle playing for the car, and she looked as if she were ready to run up and give you a big hug. You want to tell us who that pretty girl was?
That's my fiance, Cindy. We've been engaged for about 2 years now.
Are you going to get married before you go into the Navy?
Yeah, I'll be getting married probably in 2 years. She'll graduate before I will, so she'll be supporting me for about 6 months, which is nice.
Hey, that's a good deal for you, Ralph.
Yeah.
Okay, good luck to you today against this challenger. Her name is Carolyn Roski. Hello, Carolyn. Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Now, where are you from?
I'm from Colorado. My roots are in New Jersey, but I was raised in Colorado, and I came out.
Do you ski?
Yeah.
Doesn't everybody in Colorado?
Yeah. Some of us worse than others, but.
You know what they tell me, though? I've never been to Aspen or that part of the state, but I hear that the summers there are fabulous, even better than the winters.
To be honest, I enjoy the summers in Aspen more than the winter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you enjoy winning prizes?
Ooh, yeah.
All right, let's go to work. Let's not waste any more time. I know you're eager to get into the game, so take a look over here and we'll show you one of the prizes.
Service for 8 of fine English bone china in the popular Pembroke pattern. Each piece handcrafted and finished by master English artisans from the fine china collection of the Michael C. Fina Company. Alex.
Carolyn and Ralph, take a look on our board. We'll give you a quick look at the China service for 8, which is hiding behind number 8. Carolyn, you get to pick first. There is also on the board for this first game a holiday on the Isle of St. Martin in the Caribbean. Okay. You get to pick first. Go ahead.
Terrific. I'll start off up in the corner. Number 5, please.
An aquarium.
Okay, and number 17 to match that aquarium.
Yes. Wild card. Well done. The other aquarium at number 19, and it's up there and down here, 3 doors swinging open, just like that for Carolyn.
Okay. No, not enough there, Alex.
All right, pick again.
Okay. Number 25, please.
Encyclopedia.
Oh, could use some of those. Got a little one. Number 6 to match that.
Pair of table lamps. No match. Ralph?
Okay, let's look smack dab in the middle under number 13, please.
The Isle of St. Martin.
Okay, let's look for a match or a wild card under number 22, please.
Wild card for the vacation. Yes. The Isle of St. Martin, a great possible honeymoon spot, I would think. Open it up, please, for Ralph Rodriguez. Go again, please, Ralph.
Okay, number 2, please.
There's another wild card.
All right. Let's reveal under number 18, please.
18. We've got a hot air balloon ride sitting there, and the other hot air balloon ride is at position 14. 3 more doors swinging open. Well, now the going gets a little tougher, Ralph, because there are no more wild cards on the board. So all of the matches from here on have to be naturals. Let's see if you can come up with one.
Okay, let's look under number 20, please.
Green take.
All right, under number 16 for possibly a match.
No, that's a red take. Carolyn.
I gotta find out what's under number 1, please.
All right. How about a gas range?
Oh, hey, that'll do. Number 4.
Diamond and sapphire pendant. Ralph.
Let's look under number 24, please.
Red take.
Number 16, please.
16 is the other red take. Right.
I'm insurance for that trip.
Want to save it then, huh?
Yes, please.
All right. Open it up, please.
Take it. Come on. No, I think I'll save it.
We have a very lively and alert audience here. They, after you decided you were saving it and you were going to try to solve the puzzle, they were all yelling, take it, take it, take it. Go again.
Okay, under number 10, please.
Encyclopedia.
And number 25 for the match, I believe?
That's a match. All right. Now, kids, now you can tell them what to do with it. Do you use the take or do you save it? She has the aquarium.
I'm saving it.
All right. Now they're saying save it. Good. They learn quickly. Let's take a look. Go again.
Number 15, please.
1-5, 200 California lottery
I
tickets.
can use that. Number 8 for the match, possibly?
Is it? No. China service for 8. Carolyn remembered that.
Yeah, 8's my lucky number. A lot of good things happen on 8s. Let's fish around. Number 21, please.
200 California lottery tickets.
Let's match those tickets under number 20, please.
No. You made a boo-boo.
Yeah.
Yeah, little mistake, Ralph.
Thank you. I think those tickets were under number 15, please.
15, yes, 1 box higher.
And 21 for the match?
You are correct.
No, I still want to save it.
All right.
All natural matches.
Yes. Open it up, please. Select again.
Number 6, please.
Pair of table lamps.
And number 9 for the match?
No gas range. Carolyn's going to make a match, I bet.
Number 4, please.
Diamond and sapphire pendant.
Number 12, please.
Diamond and sapphire pendant. Wow.
Yeah.
You made a knowing sage out of me, a seer.
Yeah.
Diamond and sapphire pendant doors. Swing them open and see what they reveal for Carolyn. Go again.
Okay, number 3, please.
Green take.
Number 20.
Yep.
Woo!
Boy, when they pressure you just a little bit like that, you come through and...
Yeah, that helps.
What do you want to do with this?
Okay.
No, you don't want to say Martins. No.
I think we'll stay home and snuggle and scratch lottery tickets.
Lottery tickets? You're into that, huh?
Hey, yeah, a lot of good things can happen on lottery tickets.
Well, if... frankly, scratching the lottery tickets doesn't sound nearly as good as the other part. Staying home, snuggling.
That's a given.
Yeah, oh.
Okay.
Well, not in every household. Let's open these 2 panels for you, Carolyn.
Okay. Okay.
Pick again.
Number 23, please.
Pair of table lamps.
I think we saw that under number 6, please.
Yes, pair of table lamps. Another chance to take the lead in this match and to earn yourself a shot at the brand new cars.
Engelbert Humperdinck.
Engelbert Humperdinck, she says, just like that. And just like that. All right, Carolyn. Come on to the board. Watch your step.
Thanks.
Here you go.
Your hands are so warm. They're so nice.
Go ahead.
Okay. Ing, and the gull threw me. Ingle, bird, hump. And this, I thought it was an umpire.
That's right.
Fire.
Pair.
Pear. Ding, ink. Engelbert Humperdinck.
Whatever. However you put it together, it comes out the same way. It is Engelbert Humperdinck. Ralph, you have lost your first game, and that means an X goes up in front of you, but you'll get to play in game number 2 in a little bit. We'll say goodbye for now, though. Take you off stage. And for this lady, you want to hear about your prizes, don't you?
Sure.
Sure, she said.
I remember the aquarium and the tickets. What was the other one?
I don't know. Gene's going to tell us right now. Gene?
200 California lottery tickets, an aquarium, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select an aquarium or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores furnished by Service Merchandise, and a pair of table lamps, part of Miller Imports' Armani designer table lamp collection, handcrafted in Italy. Marble platform on wooden basin, handmade silk shades, quality and elegance furnished by Miller Import, and a diamond and sapphire pendant, part of K. Jewelers' classic collection. This elegant pendant contains an oval sapphire surrounded by 12 diamonds, set in 14-karat gold, may add fire to any wardrobe, furnished by K. Jewelers.
And when we return, we're going to find out if Carolyn can win a brand new car. First this, though. All right, Carolyn, let's not waste any time. Let's get right to it. 15 squares coming up on the screen. 35 seconds, base time on the clock. Good luck. Off you go.
Thank you. Number 1, 9.
Nope.
7. 6.
Nope.
1. 6.
Right.
4. 15.
Yes.
3. 7.
No.
11. 5.
No.
10. 9.
No.
2. 9.
No.
10. 2.
Right.
14. 3.
Yeah. No.
13. 12.
You seem to have some kind of a pattern.
And then I jumped too far down.
And then you lost it. But that's all right.
Okay.
You've got $1,665 in prizes, and you're going into the next game right after this break. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the classic contest here on Concentration, the Roski Rodriguez battle. The lady won the first game. You can see an X in front of Ralph. He's got to win this game today in order to stay alive on our program. If he wins, or for that matter, if Carolyn wins, could wind up with this prize.
This Wurlitzer grandfather clock is destined to become a family heirloom. The Montrose in vintage cherry features beveled glass and rotating moon dial, gracefully elegant, furnished by Wurlitzer. Alex.
Pretty prize. Nice prize. Carolyn or Ralph, show you where it is on the board. Number 1, the grandfather clock. $600 in the cash pot, Ralph. You were interested in money the other day?
Definitely.
Well, you'll be interested in it again today. We also have a California spa and fitness resort vacation for you, and you go first because you didn't win the last game.
All right, let's look at number 15, please.
1-5 is the cash pot.
All right,
Immediately.
let's look for a wild card or the match under number 23, please.
There's just one wild card in this game, and you didn't hit it.
All right.
Nor did you make the natural match. The hammocks were there. Carolyn.
Number 4, please.
4 is a red tape.
Oh, let's fish for a match under 12.
No, there's the grandfather clock. Ralph.
Okay, let me have number 12, please. And number 1 for the match.
There it is.
All right.
I may have been a little screechy when I said your name. I said, Ralph. It almost sounded like I was a dog. You know, Ralph, Ralph, Ralph.
Oh, that's all
Sorry,
right.
I apologize.
No problem.
Oh, Ralph, look at the puzzle now as we open these 2 doors. There is another door beyond those which have been opened. What? I'm
Okay.
losing it, folks. I'm losing it. Believe me. Starting off the week in a bad, bad way. Go again, Ralph.
Number 9, please.
Cash pot.
And number 15 for the match.
You got it. Well done. Good for you. Take a look at the puzzle again. Select again, please, Ralph.
Number 17, please.
His and her hammocks.
And number 23 for the match.
23, yes. Ralph's doing it, Carol.
Yeah.
But you hang in there. You just keep studying the puzzle. You'll get your chance. Don't you worry.
Okay.
Take a look, Ralph. Pick again.
Number 21, please.
Sailboat.
I can use a sailboat. Let's look under number 25.
Bedroom set. No match. Carolyn, as promised, you would have your opportunity, and here it is.
Oh, thank you. Number 13, please.
Diamond and onyx ring.
Wow.
Diamond and onyx ring, oddly enough, sounds like it would be a man's ring, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You would expect an onyx and diamond ring for a man, not for a woman.
Yeah,
Am
it's
I
a
right or
little-
wrong?
Yeah, I don't like, onyx is black, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like dark jewelry. I
No, women like
light
colorful.
stuff.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pearls.
Yeah. But maybe I could bribe somebody with it. Okay.
Oh, got somebody special in mind, have you?
Yeah.
Yeah, have you known him long?
Yeah.
How long?
4 years. Oh, I've known him 5, but married to him 4.
You're married?
Yeah.
Does your husband know that you've known this man for all these years?
Yeah, he knows him really well, too.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
Same
No.
guy, same guy. We
Yeah.
know. All right, make a
Okay.
match on the diamond and onyx ring.
Okay, I'm just going to fool around. Let's go over to number 11.
Number 11 is a wild card. So, what's your husband's name?
Steve.
Steve may wind
Yeah.
up with a diamond and onyx ring out of this. We'll
Yeah.
find out in short order. Right now, we'll show you the natural match, which would have occurred
Oh,
at number
good.
7.
Good.
3 panels in the same general area of the puzzle. That could be a big, big help.
Yeah, that looks good. But not good enough.
All right, go again.
Okay, I'm going to take a look at number 19. Give me a clue.
Living room ensemble.
Okay, I don't believe we've seen that, so I'm going to go for lucky number 8.
Nope, sailboat that Ralph wants. Future Navy man wants a sailboat.
Definitely. Number 21, please.
There's a sailboat.
Number 8 for the match.
That's right. All right. Okay, Ralph, check it out. Pick again.
Number 3, please.
Ice cream maker.
All right, let's look at a number 24, please.
Living room ensemble. No match. Carolyn.
I believe we just saw that. Number 20?
Golf clubs.
Let's swing around for those. Number 2.
Swing. Did you get that, folks? I hope you got that. Let's swing around for those. Oh, come on. It wasn't that bad. I mean, give the lady a break. She won a game. She's got some prizes. She's doing all right. Ralph.
Let's look at our number 19, please.
Living room ensemble.
And number 24 for the match.
Yes. Let's open these panels for Ralph.
Lonely Hearts Club.
Is it Lonely Hearts Club? Well, you got your sailboat, Navy man. You got some cash, and you got some other prizes, and you stayed alive, so come on. Plus, you're going to get to play for a brand new car with a fair amount of time on the board, too. But first, break it down here.
Okay, we got the L and the ho for low. N and Lee, lonely. H and the art here. Hearts with the Z, club. Lonely Hearts Club.
Nicely done. Congratulations to you. And Carolyn, that's 1X only in front of you, and that means you're going to play again in our next game. But for the moment, we take you off the stage. We'll see you later.
So long.
Bye, Carolyn. All right, young man. Gene, tell him about his prizes. He's won some big ones this time.
A cash pot worth $600, his and her hammocks, and a living room ensemble. Part of Lloyd Flanders' Heirloom Series love seat, lounge chair, and end table. Man-made, all-weather wicker furniture pieces are designed for use indoors or out, furnished by Lloyd Flanders. And a sailboat. Snark Sunflower Sailboat, designed for easy transportation. Will carry 2 adults, furnished by Snark Boats. And, of course, the handsome grandfather clock. And these prizes total $4,774.
Told you did well in this one. You won big. You've still got that vacation in Bermuda coming up. You've got a lot of cash now to spend. This is a possible honeymoon we're looking at.
Definitely.
And for young newlyweds, it's always nice to be able to drive around in a brand new car. And you're going to have 45 seconds on the clock to work with in order to try to win that car when we return following these messages. All right, Ralph. Your girlfriend, Cindy, was the one who was shown. There she is again. She's smiling, and she's proud of you. You've done very well up to this point, winning over $10,000, and she wants to see you win a brand new car. And we do, too. So go for it. 15 numbered squares. 3/4 of a minute on the clock. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2,
No.
3, 4,
No.
5, 6,
No.
4, 6,
Right.
7, 8,
No.
9, 5,
No.
9, 3,
No.
10, 11,
No.
3, 10,
Yes.
11, 12,
No.
1, 11,
Right.
12, 13,
No.
5, 13,
Yes.
14, 15,
No.
12, 15,
No.
12, 14,
Correct.
7, 15,
Correct.
8, 9,
No.
2, 9.
You got it.
Come on, Cindy.
All righty. Happy moment for this young couple. Gene, tell them what they've won.
Ralph, you've just won this Suzuki Swift 4-door sedan. Features a 1.3-liter fuel-injected 4-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. Furnished by Suzuki, a prize worth over $8,200.
That means that you're going to be leaving us as the winner of a brand new car, and you're going to take away $18,573 in prizes. And you were terrific. Your powers of concentration for somebody who was calling out numbers that quickly was fantastic. We'll take a break right now. We'll come back after we hear this from Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Schlage Keep Safer Home Security System. State-of-the-art electronics you can install yourself with only a screwdriver. Peace of mind at home or away, furnished by Schlage. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Happy times for the young couple. See you tomorrow.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.